Hello students. India is experiencing a boom in its accounting shared service space, and we are seeing a lot of global delivery centers being set up in India. This has created a huge demand for accountants, and the job opportunities in this space are expected to exponentially increase in the years to come. Statistics show that every year about 18 lakh commerce students graduate in India. Of this pool, just 1 lakh students are able to actually secure jobs which are relevant to the field of accounting and finance. The main reason for this low rate of employability is that students are not taught practical aspects of accounting in colleges. Keeping this gap in mind, we at the Double Entry Academy have started a course called the Certified Business Accountant course with the objective of upskilling our commerce students and making them job ready. This program covers the 4 main towers of accounting in which corporate jobs open up for accountants, which are Procure to Pay, Order to Cash, Record to Report, and Compliances. Besides this, we also train our students on certain very important topics like SAP, Advanced Excel skills, and soft skills. All of this go a long way in making our students job ready. After completing the course, our teams will assist you with CV building, LinkedIn profiling, and mock interviews. You will get opportunities to attend interviews at some large companies because of our placement network. We will also issue a certificate in the name of Double Entry for completing the course.
This is an exciting time for all those who wish to build a high-flying career in finance and accounting. There is going to be a huge surge in the job market for accountants who have the right skill sets and practical experience. This program is for BCom, MCom, MBA finance graduates who are looking for a breakthrough in their career, or someone who has cleared CA Inter, CMA Inter and is looking to gain practical experience. The course also caters to people wanting to transition from a non-finance role to a finance role, or somebody looking to restart their career in finance and accounting after a break. 90% of the commerce students either end up taking non-relevant jobs in customer service, documentation, etc., which does not allow them to build a great career, or they remain unemployed. The Certified Business Accountant course of the Double Entry Academy will teach you how to become a great accountant, whether in an industry or a shared service environment. In this program, you will learn the Procure to Pay process in great detail, starting from the issue of purchase orders to payment to the vendors, including the controls and accounting implications at each stage. Similarly, you will gain a deep understanding of the order to cash process, monthly book closure, inventory accounting, fixed asset accounting, and many more complex topics. Most importantly, you will learn all of this in an SAP environment that will go a long way in enhancing your skill sets and put you on a path of success. Our team of experts will help you with resume building, LinkedIn profiling, and mock interviews to prepare you for the interviews. Further, we also train you in soft skills like communication, teamwork, performance management, and many more. You'll be offered 3 interview opportunities with reputed companies through our placement network. Our course will prepare you for several exciting roles such as Accounts Payables Analyst, Receivable Specialist, Billing Executive, GL Accountant, MIS Specialist, and Compliance Analyst. At the Double Entry Academy, we have brought many industry experts together to give you a holistic learning experience. Our extensive placement network has assisted several students in finding their dream jobs. We wish you all the best and look forward to see you as a student of our academy.